everybody, welcome to a very grey, very rainy Tuesday, but it's not going to stop us having a really good sing-along this afternoon, and I am in the mood for a bit of The Greatest Showman, if you'd care to join me singing some of these songs. I couldn't narrow it down to just one, so I think we'll probably do two or maybe even three if you're feeling very, very lucky. And we're going to start with A Million Dreams. Now, in the really, really low bits, they can say it all sounds crazy, where it's really, really low and really unmanageable for our lovely voices, we're going to sing it up instead, okay? Just like we would in singing assembly. So, get yourself ready. Going to make it sound as beautiful and as magical as possible with as much enthusiasm as we can manage. Here we go. I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. Oh, well done. It's been such a long time since I've sung that song. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I completely forgot about the rainy day reference in the middle. So that was a lovely surprise. Let's move on to... It's got to be This Is Me next, surely. This is me, all feeling powerful. Now, remember those big notes, you really don't have to shout them out and you really don't have to go for them like she does because she's much older than you all are and she's been training her voice for a very long time to get to those big notes. So you can sing them your own way. Just make sure you're having fun with it. That's the most important point. And also to remember, this song is all about being you and being strong and being brave. And you're all doing such a fantastic job of that at the moment. So this is all for you. Here we go. I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are, but won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharp swords wanna cut me down, gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. Oh, 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 oh. Another round of bullets hits my skin. Well, fire away, 'cause today I won't let the shame sink in. We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. We are warriors, yeah, that's what we've become. Won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharp swords wanna cut me down, gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. Gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me. Whenever the words wanna cut me down, I'll send the flood to drown them out. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh, this is me. Woohoo! Yes, everybody. Hope you're feeling strong, feeling powerful after that one. Woo! I think I've got one more in me. You got one more in you? I thought so. I thought so. Let's finish with one that's very appropriate after that song because I feel very alive. So you must do too. Let's sing Come Alive. Stumble through your days, got your head hung low, your sky's a shade of grey, like a zombie in a maze. You're asleep inside, but you can't shake away, 'cause you're just a dead man walking, thinking that's your only option. But you can flip the switch and brighten up your darkest day. Sun is up and the colors blinding, take the world and redefine it. Leave behind your narrow mind, you'll never be the same. Come alive, come alive. Go and ride your light, let it burn so bright, reaching up to the sky, and it's open wide. You're electrified, and the world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. I see it in your eyes. You believe that lie, that you need to hide your face. Afraid to step outside, so you lock the doors. But don't you stay that way. No more living in those shadows. You and me, we know how that goes. So once you see it all, you'll never, never be the same. We'll be the light that's turning, bottle up and keep on shining. You can prove there's more to you. You cannot be afraid. Come alive, come alive. Go and ride your light, let it burn so bright, reaching up to the sky, and it's open wide. You're electrified, and the world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And we know we can't go back again to the world that we were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. Come on, come on, come in, come on. To anyone who's bursting with a dream, come on, you hear the call. To anyone who's searching for a way to break free. And the world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And we know we can't go back again to the world that we were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with our eyes wide open. And the world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And we know we can't go back again to the world that we were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. 'Cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. Woohoo! Yes! Awesome job, everybody. Well done. If you've got any film, musical, pop star requests that you'd like a few little videos of, leave me a comment below and I'll see what I can do. See you next time. Bye!